Hi everyone and welcome to my latest stitching project. Here's what you'll need to create your own applique masterpiece. Today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful applique heart cushion cover. Some fabric in two contrasting colors. I'm using this lovely maroon and a soft beige. First things first, grab your heart template. You can find the link in the description below. I've already cut mine out from this gorgeous maroon fabric. Now let's get stitching. I've already cut my fabric to size about 16 by 16 inches. Now I'm just going to pin this heart in place so it doesn't wiggle around while I stitch. Time for my favorite stitch, the blanket stitch. It's perfect for applique because it creates a nice, neat edge and adds a decorative touch. And to add a touch of extra flair, I'm going to stitch this gorgeous 3D flower right onto the heart. I'm using this lovely shaded orange floss. I'm going to weave my needle in and out of these straight stitches, creating a sort of zigzag pattern. This creates a woven look that adds depth and dimension to the flower. It's a simple technique, but it makes a big impact. I'm taking a bit of cotton wool and stuffing it inside the heart. This will give it a lovely plumpness and make it stand out from the fabric. Okay, now I'm going to carefully secure the edges of the heart with a few more blanket stitches. In my online beginners course, you'll learn 20 essential stitches that will unlock a whole world of possibilities. Don't worry if you've never picked up a needle. And there you have it, a beautiful applique heart cushion cover. I just love how it turned out. It's so soft and cozy, and the perfect addition to my living room sofa. You can use different shapes, colors, and stitches to create a cushion cover that's uniquely you.